There's a number of places where you can access a washing machine just to have a look, do some fault finding and do your repairs. There's this access panel at the back. This one's held in with 4 screws. There's also a plate there you can get some information off. Tells you model numbers and voltages and current ratings and etc. Well, this is just 4 positive drive screwdrivers, screws. It's going to fall down now because I've only got one hand free. So there you go. You don't have much that you can do in there really, but you can change your pulley, you can change your belt, and you're going to struggle to do anything with your motor, but you can unbolt it and take it out from there. So that's one access place. Now normally the lid comes off as well, so this is held on by 2 positive drive screws. Actually Phillips screws, but you get a lot more access with this though, a lot more stuff you can get to. So this top usually slides back, lifts up, and then you can lift it away. So you've got access to your pressure switch, you've got access to your control board, these hose pipes that do the filling, your solenoids, your counterweights, other electrical components. You can access your drum springs and your suspension. That's about it on this one. You can even get to your door lock if you pull this back. It's just down there, your door lock. There's an access panel down the bottom here as well on most washing machines. That gives you, sometimes there's a drain pipe along here so you can drain the machine down, or you can access your lint filter, just a filter that collects lint. It will be full of water. That tray usually catches it. So there you go, you can clean that lint filter out. And lastly, there's your door lock. You can get to your door lock by removing this spring. There's like a seal all around, a metal seal. You can just prise that out and that gives you access to your door lock. So that's it really, that's the main places to access.